Dear student, in this video I am going to explain the quantization step size that is represented by the small letter q. And before explaining the mathematical formulation of the quantization step size, first we need to understand the dynamic range of any analog signal. This is the range which is decided by the maximum and minimum value of the signal, and during this range all the amplitude of this particular signal lies. And because different type of analog signal may have different maximum and minimum values, so dynamic range may vary from signal to signal. So before passing to any signal to a sampler, we first fix this dynamic range. And the fixing of dynamic range meaning is that we make maximum value to +1 and minimum value to -1, and this is termed as normalization process. And when we are fixing the maximum value to +1 and minimum to -1, so in this case the dynamic range will be equal to 2. And during quantization, this whole dynamic range of the signal is divided into number of fixed labels, and these fixed labels are decided by the binary code, and each fixed label, each label is assigned a unique combination of 1 and 0, and this unique combination of 1 and 0 is assigned by the number of bits. Suppose in this case, if we are representing a particular label to 3 bits, means we can obtain 2 raised to power 3, that is equal to 8 number of unique combination of 0 and 1 with 3 bits. But if we represent one more bit indicating the sign bit, in which case 1 is represent to the minus sign and 0 represent to the positive sign. So for example, this minus 0.1 label is assigned 0.1, have 001 value after discretization, and the minus sign is differentiated by this sign bit. If 1 is here, means it indicates the minus sign. If 0 is here, it indicates the plus sign. So 2 raised to power 3 will give 8 different combinations. Similarly, in the case of negative number, if we consider these 3 bits, there will be again 2 raised to power 3 equal to 8 number of different unique combinations, and with the involvement of the sign bit, we will get total number of unique combination is equal to 16. So in order to find out the quantization step size, which is basically the difference between the two successive quantization steps, and this quantization step size q will be equal to the dynamic range divided by the total number of labels. Dynamic range is equal to 2 in this case, and total number of labels in which the whole range is divided is 2 raised to power 4, means 2 upon 16. So the quantization step in that particular case is 1/8. So when we generalize this thing, we can see that the dynamic range of the normalized signal is equal to 2, and the total number of quantized level will be 2 raised to power v plus 1, where 1 indicate to the sign bit, extra bit representing the sign of the signal. So in such case, the quantization level is find out by 2 divided by 2 raised to power b plus 1, that is 2 raised to power -b. So in summary, b bit number including sign bit will have total number of quantization level 2 raised to power v plus 1, So quantization step size is calculated by the dividing dynamic range to the number of quantization level, and we find out that Q is equal to 2 raised to power minus B, and it is very useful in solving the different numerical problems. Thank you.